Ako po si Pearl, ang matron of honor and best friend po ng bride. And I guess ng groom na din kasi kasal na sila ni Alfie. Anyway, bali magkaibigan po kami ni Erica since grade 4 po and bali ano po, we have been friends now for more than 20 years. Halayan niyo po yun, no? Ganun po talaga kabuting tao po si Erica. Anyway, ano lang, tayo na pa tayo nag-breakdown. So, I would just like to share something about Erica and me. Na noong mag-classmates po kami, during in grade 4, maski siya pa po mismo yung new student nun. Siya pa po mismo yung nag-approach sa akin and befriended me, no questions asked. It didn't matter if I was awkward. I was very shy and very self-conscious kid. And you best gave me reason to smile and showed me that I really need to be friendly towards our classmates. Makausap naman ako ng kaklase natin. Okay, so everybody in our class likes Erica and I was like her tail, following her wherever she goes. Though she transferred school right after, we remain friends. At even if we don't talk for a while, na minsan ay umabot pa ng ilang taon, alam mo naman yun. But when we meet again, it's as if we saw each other only yesterday. Parang kahapon lang. Well, real friendship is not measured by how long you know each other. But rather, it is measured how you have been with each other. So also, real bonding is not measured by how the time you've spent in each other's company, but rather the solace and solitude that comes with, being with you, my awesome friend. I love you so much, Bes. More than you will ever know. Wait, mamaya na. Iyak. Kinakompose ko yung sarili ko. Hinga. Okay, tapos po, sobrang saya ko for you, Bes, kasi di man naging madali o diretsyo ang tinahak mong landas sa buhay. Binigay ni God sa'yo si Alfie. Kasi si Alfie, tinanggap ka kung sino ka, kung ano yung, sabi mo nga, di ba, kung anong meron ka, and kung ano yung wala ka. At mahal ka ng buong buo. Mahal pati mga alaga mo, mga hobbies mo like motorcycle riding, tapos traveling, cosplaying, tattoos. Mahal ang pamilya mo at higit sa mahal ang anak mo si Marco. Best, yun nga, si Alfie, I'm so happy for you kasi inilapit ka ni Alfie sa bisig ng Panginoon na si Christ ang center ng inyong relationship. Because a relationship with Christ in it is a relationship that will last. And it is about two people putting God first, seeking Him in every way possible in order to be as good a spouse as one can be. It is trusting in each other and trusting God's plan that He will build your relationship into one that will grow kay Marco and eventually to your future little Ericas and little Alfies. Marami pang iba. And di ba sabi mo din kanina sa vow mo, you pray to God na He will give you the best. And I can really tell na si Alfie ang God's best for you, best. Nakita ko, nasaksihan ko kung paano inalagaan ni Alfie, si Erica and Marco. Kita naman po, this is a girl's dream wedding. Di po ba? And sure na sure ako na gagawin ni Alfie ang lahat upang maitaguyod ang kanilang pamilya. Palakpakan po ulit para sa couple. Salamat po. Eto, pero alam niyo po ba na ang love story ni Erica and Alfie ay parang may akalin tulad po natin sa getting a tattoo. Paano po ba? Step 1, choose a tattoo design. Sobrang dami po nating tattoo designs. Meron po tayong, alam ko nakaka-relate yung couple natin, tsaka mga ilang kaibigan po natin dito, na marami pong designs like traditional, Japanese, realistic, tapos watercolor, tribal, na marami pa pong iba. Akala niyo sa dinami-rami ng tao sa buong mundo, kayong dalawa yung pinagtagpo. Diba? Step 2, think about the tattoo placement. Think what design fits on which part of the body. Ang kanilang relasyon, pinag-isipan, at may maraming konsiderasyon, hindi minadali. Di po ba? Tamang panahon. Step 3, get the tattoo and prepare for pain. Alam niyo naman walang relasyon na perfecto, no? Parang sa tattoo din, sabi nila, a tattoo machine uses tiny needles to place the ink below the skin surface. Tattooing takes hours to do. Sakit po, no? Napakatagal na pagtitiis. Yun nga, behind every happy couple lies two people who fought so hard to overcome all the obstacles and interferences to be that way. And step 4, last but not the least, tattoo aftercare. Ang tattoo, ang sugat nila sa tattoo ay maghihilom at ang kulay ay mag-fade ayon sa akmang color shade. Sa kanilang love naman, despite against all odds, despite all the pains and challenges, they made it. Kaya po, nandito po tayong lahat ngayon upang ipag-iwang ang kanilang kasal. Naway tumagal ang kanilang pagsasama ng para sa isang tattoo. Huwag lang sana ipa-laser. Yeah. Although, Alfie, my advice for you, if you're wrong, you shut up. If your wife Erica is wrong, you shut up. You're even smarter. Because happy wife means happy life. Narinig mo sa bisita mo, ha? So, huwag ako yung sisihin mo pag nagkaway kayo ni Erica. Pero kidding aside, may advice to you both, Erica, Alfie. Respect one another. Just be completely honest. Talk about everything. And never go to sleep angry. And without kissing each other goodnight. Be able to compromise. Be able to put your spouse first in your life. Before your parents. Before your kids. Before your friends. Your boss. Your co-workers. And well, may I invite everyone to please stand up with your glass and raise your, I read your drinks, please raise your glass for the couple. Although meron pa pong toast si best man, hindi pa po tapos yung program natin. So save some for the best man. Shot na lang daw. Ayan, I would like to, a toast to the newlyweds. May your pockets and your household multiply, but may your hearts be never divided. Congratulations, best wishes, love you both.